Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Ninkear Modular Mini PC with Ryzen 7 8845HX APU. So friend, the Ninkear MBOX 8 Pro a mini PC with attachable modules that provide extra interface. The brain in the upper module and which holds the APU, memory and storage and cooling solution. And this part has a power button, two USB Type-C connector, and the main module also take care of the networking such as Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth, but there is no Ethernet port on the module, and the bottom module is where the extra USB Type-A connector, audio mini jack and two Ethernet ports are located, and there is a Type-C connector for potential DisplayPort pass-through, but the full-size HDMI and DisplayPort are on the bottom part, and the entire setup is 99 into 99 into 65 mm in size, where the upper part is 37 mm in thick and bottom base is 25 mm. And interestingly, the entire setup is quite light, weight only 483 grams. So friend, it's powered by Ryzen 7 8845HS APU with 8th generation 4 core and 12 RDNA with compute units, and the system is equipped with up to 32 GB DDR5, 6400 memory, and comes with 1 TB of SSD storage. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.